previous lesson, this is what we have done. Let me preview it. Let's see what we have done. Escape. Now we'll change the background image. So let's go to our images here, copy this one and paste it. As I indicated in the first lesson, this one, the resizing of the image, we have two methods of placing images. So, but I'll use the second one, which is the correct one. Go to crop, fill, resize it, and after that go back to crop and fill and crop it again. So now we have the background image, the second one. So let me preview it and see. As you can see, this is the image. So now what are we going to do? We have to add an animation to this image. So let's go to animation and choose wipe. As you can see, you can change the wipe. As you can see here, add effect, change it from left to right. From left, you see. Okay, let's see the slideshow. Okay, escape. Now we'll add our last object, which is the little angel here. Okay, let's go. Copy and paste. Resize it. You will add 3 different animations to this object. The first one, let's go and choose which one. Let me see which one will be best for this. Okay, I think let's use floating. Okay, you see how it is added here. Okay, we'll add another animation. Let's use loop. Okay, you see. Okay, it is also added here. Let's add another animation. Float out. Let's try these two and see the difference. Or all this here, exit. They are exit animation. So let's use disappear first. You see, it disappeared. Okay, let's delete this. Let's add another one. Fade. See? Okay. Let's delete it. Let me show you. Add another one. Fly out. You see? It flies out. Okay. Okay. Now let's use the one I wanted. Float out. You see? So let's see the animation, how it is. See, the little angel is there. Okay, it's not bad, but it's not the preferred. Okay. Okay, now let's preview it and see what we have here. Okay, this is the perfect one. Okay, this is the end of this project 1. So I shall see you in the next project. Let me preview it again so you can see what we have done in the project 1. Okay, end of project 1. So let's meet in the next project. Thank you.